Python, we often use functions whether the task is big or small. Even for very simple jobs, we write functions like this. For example, adding two numbers, returning squares, or filtering odd numbers. But for one-liner functions like this, Python gives us a shortcut, the lambda function. Instead of writing a full function, you can write code in just one line using lambda. Here is the example how to add two numbers. Can you write code to filter odd numbers from a list using lambda? Drop it in the comment section. Why we use lambda? No need to name the function. Perfect for short one-line tasks. Works great with map, filter, sorted, etc. But if your logic takes more than one line, it is better to use a regular def function. This keeps your code clean, readable, and easy to debug. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more videos like this.